Which sentence in the last paragraph is missing a subject? Let's go through our choices and see if we can locate the subject in each one. A. Sentence 10. However, have no data from controlled clinical trials. A simple way to go about locating the subject of a sentence is by asking who. For example, in this case, we'd ask, who has no data from controlled clinical trials? The sentence doesn't tell us, leading us to see that this is likely our final answer, as there's no subject. If we'd like to be cautious, we can check out the other choices. B. Sentence 11. Study results have been inconclusive or subpar. With a sentence like this, we'd switch our question to what. What has been inconclusive or subpar? The sentence tells us study results. As this is the subject of our sentence, we can mark this choice as incorrect. C. Sentence 12. Additionally, many of these studies have used garlic that is a very high dose, concentrated, or given in the form of stabilized allicin. Again, we ask what. What has used garlic? The sentence tells us these studies. As this is the subject of our sentence, we can mark this as incorrect. And D. Sentence 14. Therefore, the chances of actually reaching a cell somewhere in the body are very small, Block said. Again, we ask, what? What is very small? The sentence tells us the chances of actually reaching a cell somewhere in the body. As this is the subject of our sentence, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.